Welcome to another instant Asian food review. Instant Asian, is it like instant food? Instant Asian food? Instant noodle review. Another find at Costco. Vietnamese pho. Six of these. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
Well, that's 1, 2, 3.
4.
I'm not gonna. So it comes packaged smaller than most cup of noodle thingies that I see. It's plastic, not styro. Like most cup of noodle. Oh, I think one of the packages popped. Let's go ahead and struggle with that package. So the instructions say to add 1 1/4 cup of water. I like to add maybe closer to 2 cups of water because it's really salty. She's got a power over me and I just can't take it no more. I didn't realize the AC was blowing on that microphone this entire time. I hope it's not making any noise. And I'm not turning the AC off. It's really hot. We'll do it again. It's not bad. Really salty. Good thing I added more water. Ooh. What do I think? I think I like this. I think I like this a lot better than this. But the texture of the noodles is, well, I don't know about 10 out of 10, but it's not bad. Definitely will do. That'll do. It says 5-minute meal, and if you microwave it, I like boiling water because I just like the entire process of boiling water. I don't know why, but yeah, these are good. So Vietnamese pho by Snapdragon, and hopefully the camera got that in focus because I'm not about to shoot that again. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh. And